One of the questions that a cognitive psychologist would ask is, can we really multitask? Because that has to do with focus and attention, and that's a cognitive or mental activity. Another question that a cognitive psychologist might ask among these is about the dog learning to salivate when the door opens. Because what's going on here is the dog is learning to associate the door opening with the food, and that's a learning process, and that's also the domain for cognitive psychologists. What's not the domain for a cognitive psychologist is how attachment changes over our lives. That's more the question for a developmental psychologist because it has to do with change over time. Another question that would not be one for cognitive psychology would be mood and dopamine. That's the brain and how neurotransmitters affect our behavior. That would be the question for behavioral neuroscience. The shooter and whether he's having a psychotic episode and how competent he is to stand trial is more for a forensic psychologist because that has to do with his mental state and the legal question of competence.